In year 1983, when automotive spare parts manufacturing business was under transformation, when multinationals were making presence in India, when high quality, precision and strength was becoming the right of every Indian industry. That was the time when Mr. P.S. Chauhan got involved in manufacturing of precision metal components for machineries, and started manufacturing automotive components to cater domestic machinery manufacturers to bring disruptions in metal engineering business. With a non-stop growth, he established Uni Spares in year 1999 and started manufacturing precision parts and special parts for the OEM, based in Europe and North America. 38 years. Journey of joy, companionship and expertise. The company has performed uniform and vertical growth, with progress and capable to cater large quantities in reasonable amount of time. This journey was accompanied by Mr. Digvijay Singh Chauhan in year 2003. Mr. Digvijay Singh Chauhan traveled more than 23 countries and attended many industries conferences and exhibitions, including Hanover Messe, Subcons, IMTS, and Fasteners Expo. Uni Spares participated in major international fairs for precision components regularly, which helps us to be updated with the latest technology and to develop strong relation with our international client base. Ever since, there has been no looking back and the company has seen potential growth with product diversity. Presently, Uni Spares caters to many industries such as agricultural implements, machinery components, heavy earth moving machinery components, automobile components. We are not just limited to this, and also diversifying into aviation and defense industry. Majority of our production goes to Europe, America and Latin America. The company is located in the New Era Industrial Hub of Noida, National Capital Region in northern part of India, and another plant is very closely located in Secunderabad, near Noida, Uttar Pradesh. There's a strong reason why for more than 3.5 decades. Major European agricultural machinery manufacturer, construction machinery manufacturer as well as automotive companies are sourcing from us. There is also a very strong reason why our customers rely more on us than other countries, because we confirm exact specification desired by our esteemed clients. Team Uni Spares highly believe that, if a design sketch is generated, we can create the product in the physical form. Our mantra is, if you can measure you can make. We are an ISO certified company. The production management and operations mechanism conform to international standards. Our entire operations are managed by a team of high caliber employees from different disciplines like quality assurance, who makes sure that nothing goes wrong at product planning and sampling stage. Production planning and control team assures that parts are being manufactured on time. Quality control team observes that finished products are defect free. Engineering and design team immediately engages the internal team for modification and changes in the design, which is reflected in the production and control process without any delay. At Uni Spares we empower precision in machining and forging worldwide, and where the customer satisfaction is highly focused. At Uni Spares, we are geared with best-in-class facilities for complete product development cycle, right from designing to packaging. With CNC and conventional machines, we meet the requisites for precision tolerances and excellent finishing. Being a self-reliant group, we have the in-house complete facilities. Raw materials. We only focus on the best quality raw materials and sort them out as per the product requirement. Raw materials are painted in different colors so that material can be used in the particular products. Bend saw parting. Power press. Forging plant. Press forging. Hammer. MIG and tag welding. Centerless grinding. Horizontal milling process. Thread rolling. Slotting machine. CNC line. Hydraulic press. Vertical milling machine. And electroplating process. Quality control. We have been manufacturing zero defect products on OEM specifications. At Uni Spares, we are committed to achieve excellence in all spheres of well-audited quality system ensuring best international standards, which is constantly upgraded as per latest specifications. At Uni Spares, we follow strict quality measures at every stage, right from raw material procurement to consignment dispatch. We have in-house quality inspection section with more than 200 measuring instruments including plug gauges, ring gauges, snap gauges for inspection at every stage. Inspection is carried out by experienced professionals on prescribed parameters before delivery. A regular in-process inspection is carried out as per the sampling plan. We understand the micro-criticalities of the given parameters and specification, so at the time of manufacturing each part is closely inspected at every stage in terms of first part approval process evaluation, failure mode and effect analysis. If non-conformity is observed, immediately corrective measures are taken and it is documented. Machines and instruments are tested for the fine calibration and testing in every 3 months or earlier as required. We have installed coordinate measuring machine which enables us to perform 3D inspection with higher flexibility, accuracy and repeatability up to 1 micron. Our testing process includes surface roughness testing, micro hardness testing for toughening, case hardening, through or full hardening, induction hardening and heat treatment. We are members of EMDA, FAMA and EEPC India. Learning is a give and take process, has always been prime motto for Uni Spares.